What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Kuntry Klub. I'm Walter, and you're watching Kuntry 3D. How are we today? Hope we're doing fantastic. I am, that's for sure. Doing fantastic today. Alright, so we got How I Do It. Matt's in the house. Trolling for Dollars. Playdesk, Mayan Misfit. Bob S. Lester C. Weatherall. Britt Hawks 3DP. Robert Reynolds. John Cook. Filament Frenzy. Britt. Oh, I already said you. Mike's here. Scholar's here. What's up, everybody? How are we today? Hopefully y'all are doing fantastic as always. Alright. So, feedback. What's up, Dwayne S? Feedback. Did you get to see my video? Because I played with that edit for like 2 hours. Trying to get that edit. Oh no, we're all blocked. Blocked, I say. 3D Printing Trucker's not here. That's alright, buddy. Welcome, man. You are correct, Eddie Moser. We are all blocked. And I felt so empty inside today because of it. But I love Filament Frenzy. What's up, Ron Floyd? How are you, buddy? I was trying to see if I could find the dadgum wiring diagram for this dadgum. I just got over here. I got over here like 10 minutes ago. That's it. What's up, Brian Jorgensen? How are you, buddy? I don't follow her either, but that's because she's in China and I can't like get behind her over there. Alright, I gotta go find the Stargate. It says that there is a wiring diagram in with the model. Where'd it go? Why are you not there where you're supposed to be? Okay, there it is right there. Files. Oh, wrong one. That's single gate parts. Files. Yeah, I don't see a wiring diagram in here. What's up, Minnesota Maker? I know that's right. Still battling the flu? Yeah, it's kicking everybody's butt. Yeah, I'm looking circuit STL, but I don't think that's I think the circuit STL is, yeah, it's a plate to put a circuit on. So that's not it. Look down, nothing says wiring. There's a INO file for the Stargate dialer and the full INO file. But I do not see. Let me go back over here. There's an images folder. Alright. Oh. What is that? Preview featured. Alright, there is a wiring diagram here. I've got it here. I'm going to need some help with this because I can't even hardly see it. Circuit diagram for the working Stargate MK2 by Glitch. The link is in the description for this. How long am I streaming today? Probably at least 2 hours, Brian. I plan on 2 hours. That's the plan. You need a sandwich. Man, you barking up the wrong tree over here, buddy. Q1 through Q10 or BC 548. I don't know what the hell a BC 548 are, and I can't see the numbers. This picture's like this big. Oh, I lost some color. What? No, it's still black, man. Is my camera blowing it out to gray again? I'll be goddamn. It's jet black, Eddie. That dumb camera don't do me no favors, man. See if I can do the boom out there, man. The damn camera don't do me no damn good, man. Check Twitter. I will check Twitter. Alright, I can check Twitter. If there's a better picture of it, that's awesome. What's up, David Littell? How are you? Twitter. I'm checking Twitter. I have notifications. Holy crap, that's a cowboy hat. I need a baseball cap. Need a baseball cap. I don't wear a cowboy. I know that's the country, and that looks pretty cool. Gonna be hard to print that. That's a lot of supports. You could print it upside down. You wouldn't need as many supports. That ain't right. Here, hold on. Let me turn this intro off. Let's see what we got. Whoa, we got a remix. What do you think? All right, Brian. Be careful, buddy. You need to dig out your Stetson. I need a bigger image of this friggin' wiring diagram. I mean, really, why would you do this? Come on. There it goes. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are LEDs. 1, 2, 3. Alright, what are these for? I don't know what those are for. Oh, those are the steps. That's the steps. There's resistors there. What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. I can't read I'm not an electrician. Seriously, I have no idea what these are. I don't see anything for motors. Alright, we're going to get some stuff out. Y'all going to help me out. Country cuckoo nesters. Slice it and make a fridge magnet. There you go. What's up, Philippe Goncalves? Rule it. Ronnie Julian, how are you, buddy? Thanks for that. I might do that. I might. I hear you, Eddie. We all need new cameras. Make us look better. What's up, Sean Gould? All right, let's see what we got over here. All right. So I've got a bag of those. Got a motor shield. I've got a bag of these that I don't need because Playdesk did me right. I've got a bag of some type of transistors. I've got a box full of resistors. I've got whatever in the hell, that's a bag of photosensitive things. There's some more LEDs. There's an Arduino. There's some switches. Here is some heat shrink. Here's some wire. Alright, I've got that. Here's the motors. Got those. What I would like to do is get the stuff that Playdesk sent me over here. Let me find that bag. It's got all the lights in it. It's right here. So I got all the lights right there. So I need some, I don't need these switches. These go to the DHD. And one set of these lights goes to the DHD, but I don't know which ones it is. There's blue. And these are blue. I got 2 bags of blue LEDs. One smaller than the other. How's my stream health? It is fantastic. Trolling for dollars. How are you? What's up, Vince? Matt1 UK, how are you? Are you having issues? No, I've got no notes on here. It's friggin' awesome. Oh, man, I'm going to tell you right now, dude, I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. But yeah, my stream health is good, John. The flashing around the camera focus can't keep up. Oh, is it focus? Is it not? Man, I set this every damn time. Settings. Configure video. Camera control. Uncheck the focus and hit apply. There we go. You don't want autofocus. I do that every time. Oh, I lost my stream. Come back. There you go. Whoop. Now we're good. Let's see how long it takes YouTube to catch back up. Yeah, I'm pushing out at 5,200 kilobits per second. So, I mean, it should be 1080p. Let me check. Go live. Yeah, I'm getting, when I hit play and go live, I'm getting 1080p. So, oh well, now it's going to be stuck where it's at. I got 2 turntables and a microphone. All right, let's see. Let's see if these work. Hey, you can see them back there. Hey, let's see if you can see them. Not yet. It ain't dark enough. I put those up just for y'all. What's up, Sonic Alchemy? How are you? Put them back on white. There we go. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. I got a whole bunch of resistors I don't need yet. Alright, transistors, motor shield, Arduino. Let's look at this first. It ain't none of this open yet. At least the camera's not glitching like it was. You see no 2 turntables? The turntables are at my house. They're not. Oh, wow. This one comes with a nice little case. It's not screwed down to the case, but it's in the case. All right. So that's cool. I've never had a Arduino Uno. All right, so it takes a printer cable. Hopefully that should run enough power, won't it? You guess that'll run the power? And I'm going to have something to go to the motor shield. I got to find the power supply. Hopefully that's a 12 volt I have over here. I didn't even think about that. What kind of friggin' power supply are we supposed to use? Because it didn't tell me. What is this? Oh, this is a 24 volt. Why do I have a damn 24 volt power supply? I don't even know why I have this. I got a 12 volt down here I can use. I'm going to have to send 12 volts to those motors though, ain't I? What's up, Mike Whaley? Oh, is that money laundering? God dang it, $6, boy. You're going to get me put in jail. What's wrong with you? That's what who said? Laundering money means that you send it off somewhere and try to make it so that you get money back that's clean. And I hate to tell you, I'm not sending you $6 back right now. Oh, this is going to be fun. I got to do soldering and stuff. Because, yeah, that sucks. I hate soldering. I'm not Chris Riley. If I was, I'd still hate soldering. Now, wait a minute. Hope that goes that direction. Can't go that direction. Gotta go this direction. Man, I tell you what, this thing, I don't know about that. It'll set up about, it's gonna set right on the USB cable. That's right, I have no clean money. What's up, Christopher Calhoun? Do they? Chris, did you nibble your Cheetos into shapes? Did you really? Alright guys, I don't have any idea what the hell I'm doing with this thing. I have done no research whatsoever. Put this stuff back in here before I lose it, because I don't know what part of the shield I'm supposed to do. I wonder, let me see if I can find it. There's code for that. Alright. There's all that crap. I don't care about that. I don't care about that either. Alright, that's Glitch's Stargate. But I think that's number 1, which doesn't really matter. Sonic Alchemy, it's not on GitHub, it's on Thingiverse. It's an image in the damn download. That's all you get. Is an image in the download. There's nothing else. I was actually looking for, you can go to Thingiverse, the link's in the description. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's on there. Control V, enter. So yeah, if you go through the pictures on the Stargate, it gives you the image right here, and that's as big as it gets. And I can't see a damn thing. And I mean that wholeheartedly. I have no idea. There's nothing here for wiring on the motors. But since what? This thing runs what? 2? Runs 2 motors? 1 motor? 2 motors? What does this run? Do you know? Is it on GitHub? Alright, then I need to go over to the GitHub thing. Let me get out of here. Do. Custom section. 2 stepper motors. Alright. Broadcom. ASMT. What is that? Broadcom ASMT. What is that? I need to look that up. 3.2 volts, 60 milliamps. I think I got all of these. What is that? Yeah, cool white surface mount LEDs. I got those over there. Where did they go? I got a friggin' bag full of them suckers somewhere. They're bigger. I believe I got them anyway. That's just for the steps though, so I'm not super worried about that. What are these? Lumex. Control V. Enter. Hold on. I'm pulling it up, play this. Okay, those are the LEDs. Alright, so I got that. Resistors, photo resistors, I got those. Alright. One stepper could be replaced with a servo. Alright, so there we go. Oh wow. Okay. That's a much better one. I can actually see it better. But that's showing it with a Raspberry Pi. That's not the right one. I am feeling great, buddy. How are you? What's up, James? One Raz, how are you, buddy? Resistors are futile. Yeah, I know. That's why I try not to resist, James. And you're so hard to resist anyway, buddy. But yeah, this is not the same gate. It's the Stargate hat schematics. I don't know what that is. I put Stargate MK2. Not eating batteries. I just turned it off, I guess. I leaned back and turned it off. I don't know. It shows I got full battery. No, out of battery. Be right back. Alright, that should be better. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yes, you can hear me now. Batteries died. God dang, man. 2 days, really? Now for the F-bombs off my... What's up, Brandon Fain? Alright. If you say rum goes with steak, that's great. Trying to translate country talk. Nope, it wasn't your system. What secret? What are you working on that's a secret? Anyway, Mike was not muted, but thank you, Tristan. I doubt Duracell is watching my channel. Alright, so here's the deal. I don't understand. One, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is correct because there is 9 lights, Stargate lights, and there are 2 sets of rails, and then there's 1 diode down here. Here, let me pull up the screen. You can see this thing. Because if I'm not mistaken, these are the digital I/O pins, which is great. I don't know what the hell the analog in is for. But what is an RCal1? What is that? What is RCal1? What is that damn thing? I don't know what that is. It's a photo resistor. I got one of those. Got a bunch of those. What's up, Mr. Lemons? How are you? Because I want to try to wire some of this together. Hold on. Let me go back over to this PDF. Where'd it go? Right there. Alright. So. And see, they don't even show what friggin' digital I/O pins that is. Photo resistors on the bottom. On the bottom what? So I got an RCal, got a decal. That decal is a blue LED. I know what that is. So wait, if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that, oh, the stairs are all on 1. I got you. Stairs come off of 1 right here. And then this one comes off of 1 right here. And then the other 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. So 1 resistor, 3 diodes. Alright, so let's try that. Can we try that? Alright, so let's look at this. I am assuming that I can't see this because I suck. Analog. So this is my digital side over here. Alright. Analog side over there. And we have 5 volts, 3.3 volts. And I'm hoping that I can fire this from the Arduino 5 volts. So I can stick that right there. If I put this, the USB in here, will it give it 5 volts or is it 3 point whatever volts? Because I don't have a friggin' 5 volt adapter. Alright, so we got a photoresistor. Alright, that's a photo resistor. What's the other one? Alright, look. USB is 5 volts. Good deal. Alright, so I got a photo resistor right there. That's one. The only one I need. Alright, scroll down. What is RCal 3? Hold on. RCal 3 is, I got you, 10.2 ohms. Okay. Q1 through Q10 is BC548. Where the hell is Q1 through Q10? Right here. Those are what? Transistors? No. Yeah, it is. It's a transistor, right? The BC548. I don't do electronic projects, man. I don't even do them with yeah, it's a transistor. I got a bag full of those. Right here. Alright, so knife blade. Yeah, there's a resistor in the diagram between the things. I just want to get one of these to work. I don't care about none of it, just one of them. And the thing is, I'm assuming that that's Q1. My thing. Alright, so if I hold that like so, that is number 2. That's the number 2 pin through, back off to there. Hell, I don't know, I can't read that. What does that say? Through the AREF pin. Why? It's got one of them going to ground. Why does it have one of them? Okay, I see it there. No? Yes. That one goes to ground. Alright, so let's try that one first. I need some wires. Oh, something I can mock up with. I used to have a whole bunch, but I don't know if I got a whole bunch anymore. I don't see a whole bunch. Matter of fact, I don't see any. Oh, yeah, I do. I got a few. I should be able to mock up at least one. A short one. What's up, Sean? Yeah, there's an INO file that I'm gonna load it. That's fine. I don't mind that at all. I only need the one right now. I'm gonna try to get, let's see if you can see my thing. I've got this piece of the circuit here. I want to try this piece right here. Right there. Just that one. I want to get that working right there. That one circuit. And I can load the INO file. I can probably load that first, wouldn't you think? Let me grab my cable, because I got one somewhere. Can't remember where I put it. I have another printer cable somewhere. I've got one hooked up in the bedroom in there. I might just go grab that one, because I think all the rest of my friggin' printer cables are over at the other house. Yep. That's not it. I think that's where they all at, though. Every dadgum one of them's at the house. Alright, let me grab the one off the Prusa, because it's the only one I got over here. Give it up, boy. You can't keep it. Give it. Alrighty. Now to find a USB hole to stick it in. Oh, I know where it's at. Right there. That'll work perfectly. Alright, so there's you. Let's see if it'll blink. Don't they normally come with like blink on them or something? Yes, by 3D printer cable, I mean USB cable. Hey, blinking. Inking, blinking, and nod. My freaking speed has slowed down this afternoon. Being such a pain in my buttocks. Stream says it looks good though. What am I getting quality wise? Oh, 720. Not too bad. Alright. Yes, I know. Alright, so Blink is working. Let's put it back in there. Let's open up the INO file. Maybe. I just want the dialing sequence, don't you think? Let's do the smallest one I can do. Downloads. Files. Stargate dialer. What's up, Red Light? What's up, Joe Paddock? Okay. Alright, so it made me move it. Alright, why is wire H? Okay, let's see what we get here. Tools. Board. This is a Arduino Uno. Not a Arduino Uno Wi-Fi. Genuino Uno. Tools, port. COM4. Alright. Wait a minute. Okay, that's fine. Can you put a camera? I can put a camera on it. Let me see here. I think I can. Go to cameras. Let's turn on the handheld. And then I have to go over here to the secondary mains right there. Yes. There's blinking. See? Alright. Yep. Alright, good. I'm caught up. Alright, so let's see if we can verify the sketch. Should be a pretty simple one. What did it say? I got an error. Oh, I got to install a library. Tools. Where does it go? Sketch. Include library. It's the Adafruit _ motor shield. Manage libraries. It's updating the list. Motor. Oh, that's servo. There's a stepper. A4990 motor shield. I don't know if that's right or not. Could be. Arduino library for what is the... Doesn't say. Okay, I can do that. Adafruit motor shield. View more info. Doesn't give me an install option. Yeah, it does. Get the latest one and hit install. Alright, hit close. Sketch. Include library. Where'd you go? Come on. It's already there, I think. Alright. So you say do it with a blank sketch first? Is that what you're saying? File. New. Alright, so let's go here. It's a blank. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. Because I can do blank later if I need to. File. Tools. boards, everything's right. Hit upload. It's compiling. I had to get a new vape the other day too. I got a, it's called a Species. It's another smock. It's a touch screen. Pretty nice. But my screen went out on mine, so I couldn't tell how hot I was burning or anything. So, alright. So now we no longer have a blink, so we're there. Let's close this one here, and let's try this one again. Adafruit Motor Shield _H, no such directory or file. Why? I included it, did I not? Let me go see. I'm not there. Over here. Yeah, I gotta find this friggin' file first. Why did that not work? That's the FAQ for Motor Shield. Oh, he's such a funny guy. Why is this giving me such a friggin' issue? Anybody? Did I put in the wrong thing? I don't think I did. Tools. Nope, sketch. Include library. No, that doesn't, I don't need that. That's utility, blah, blah, blah. I wonder. Edit. Oh, I can't do it. I already did that. No. No, it's giving me a compile error because it can't find the Adafruit Motor Shield .h file. Yeah, it's not there either. Yeah, I just installed it for the first time. I don't know what library am I supposed to freaking install. Library, manage libraries. Come on, updating list of libraries. Motor SHIELD. Motor Shield. Alright, so there's that one. I don't know. I know, I'm looking for the library. That's what I'm looking for. What friggin' library? Yeah, there's the Adafruit Motor Shield library. Oh, here's version 2. Hold on. Install. Let's try that. Hit close. It might be a new one. It's getting further. Well, I say that. It's just recompiling. That was it. It was version 2. I did that time 3D Printing World, but thank you for that. Alright, so now let's put it on the board. It's compiling again. Done uploading. So it's there. It's running. So now I'm going to unplug it so I can try to get this electrical stuff done. All right. I don't have any idea which friggin' way does this go, or does it matter? All right, all you electronic gurus, I've got I need some female wires. I don't know if I have any over here. There's one. That's good. That's a double female, which is good. Here's some long. I can use these. These are female. That's okay too. That's motor wires. But they'll still work. I can still plug stuff into them. Oh, there's black and white right there. Oh yeah, we got all kind of female wires over here. Now I'm running out of male ones. Hopefully won't need that many. Okay. What's up, Lightspeed? All right, later, Ron Floyd. Have a good one. Okay. So now we have to go here. Let me. Can I share my screen and y'all stop looking at the board for a minute? Uh-oh. It decided it wanted to take a dump. Back over here to green screen. That is not. What is that? Oh, that is green screen. Why are you so big over there? Yeah. Oh. Why is my tabletop? Why is that so big? Thank you, Matt. Lightspeed said too.
Lightspeed said to.
I hope, can y'all hear that when that does that? I'm hoping you can. Alright, red light. Okay, so let's do this. I have got to go from 5 volts on the Arduino. I can't see this right here, so let's go and let's try it this way. Alright, so we have 5 volts right there. And where'd my wires go? There they are. Alright, I'm going to make yellow hot. Alright, so I got a 5 volt. Now it's going into a light diode. So I need a short female right here. We're going to stick that and then we're going to plug it in to the... Quit that! We're going to plug that into here. And then that goes right into RCal2, which is a 10 kilo ohm resistor. RCal2 is 10 kilo ohms. I crack you up, I bet. What is that? What does that link to? Alright, good deal. Alright, so we got that and that. Let's find a resistor. A 10 kilo ohm resistor at that. There's 100. 2.2, 20. 220s. I'm going to need some of those. I know I saw them on there. Somewhere. Yep. I need 9 of those. I need 150 ohm. Nope, not there. 10, 22K, 100K. No, I don't need that. Okay, cool. 4.7. There's a 10K. Gonna need that. 1K. Nope. Yeah, I know what a 10 kilo ohm resistor is. It's what's in this little pack over here. You know, the problem is that it calls for 10.2. So I'm going to have to make one of those. So I'll put a 10 and a 200 together. That's a 20, 2.2, and a 100. All right, so I've got 10K, 220s. That's 220K. Come on, I know damn well there's a 200 in here somewhere. I guess not. Guess I used two 100s. Thank you, Lightspeed.
I'm large and in charge, maxing and relaxing, killing it like I knew your villain. Stop, collaborate, and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention.
You know that's How I Do It's favorite song, right? I don't know. I don't know if they're... Alright. It just calls for a 10-2. But right now we don't need that. We need RCal 1, which I've got. I've got it plugged in. So then I need another female wire. I am going to use... That's too much wire. I need shorter ones. I don't have any shorter ones though. That should be alright, I think. Just to do what I want to do. I at least want to make something light the hell up. That's what I want. I want to make something light up. I can do it with this because I don't need that many wires. Alright, so let's plug. You back. Come on, man. Come on, man. Plus or minus tolerance, I hear you. I don't have much tolerance right now. Why? Alright, get in there. I gotta find a smaller wire. That one ain't gonna work. Nope, that's a male. Don't need a male, need a female. Hey, I found a 200 ohm resistor. But I got a bunch over here in this box too. Let me look what else I got. What else I got I can use over here? That's another motor wire. That's another motor wire. That is a switch. Won't do me any good. That's another switch. Won't do me any good. I got plenty of motor wires. There we go, right there. That's what I was looking for. I had some extensions that I put together here a while back. And I got a bunches of them. So, we got plenty of females now. Alright. Put you in there. Let's take you. I ain't got another yellow. So we're going to continue on with gray. Gray's a good color. That's the way I feel too, Llama. And I'm doing it. Y'all know if I ever make this, if I ever make this work, it's going to be a friggin' miracle, right? Y'all do know that. Y'all understand the fact that it will be a friggin' miracle if this ever dials and lights up. I don't know why. I'm like James. I don't know why I undertake this crap. Alright, so got that. Now I got to put a 10 kilo ohm resistor right there. What's up, Minnesota Maker? What do you mean? You don't know what I'm doing either? Well, god dang it, that makes 3 of us. Because I don't know, you don't know, and Tom don't know. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. Alright. Now, the resistance flows.
Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon, dancing nightly will
Quite.
it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow.
No, sir. No, sir. I am not. Like I said, I want to get it done, and I want to get it done right. I want to do it step by step, piece by piece. And, you know, if y'all get tired of me dragging it out, because I promise you I'm not dragging it out, then I don't know what to tell you. Get in there. I had to fold that over, make it big enough to stay in the dadgum hole. Alright, maybe it's making contact. I don't know. Alright, what's next? We got the resistor. Now, where the hell does that come? What is that? Analog in AIN1 goes in between. It touches on this leg, one of these legs right here. Okay. Alright, so I gotta have from there. Man, that means I gotta have a piece of bare wire. I don't know where I might get some bare wire at. To the extreme, I rock the mic like a vandal. Yeah, huh? I don't know all the words to it. It's been a long time. I didn't care for the song when it was out. I really didn't. Alright. I got all this wire in here that was sent to me. Thank you very much. Now, I got to poke a hole in here and run that out through there, because I'm going to need a piece of that. Give me this. Get back over here. I don't need a big piece, just need a short piece. Sweet! It printed a benchy. You think I've wired the resistor backwards? You think so? I might have. I can't ever tell. I can't tell about me, and there ain't no damn way that's gonna get in close enough to see it. Is there one leg that's long? There ain't no longer than the other. I thought resistors were both frontwards and backwards. Diodes go one way, but resistors work both directions. If I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken now. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think so. I think somebody was pulling on my leg. I do have silicone wire. There's silicone wire in the bag, but I use this regular wire right here. Damn, that's some tough stuff. Alright, so now on this here, it shows that this goes between the resistor. So it's going to go right there. I'm going to wrap that right there. Don't tell nobody. Stay in there. There you go. Alright, now this has got to go to analog 1. Let me see if I can see that. I figured. Alright, so that's the transmit AIN1. I would think that's analog N1. Wait, yeah. So 0 and then 1. You know what? Let me grab a little mail cable here that I can plug into there pretty simply, like so. And I can put this on here like so. It's a lot easier for me. Ask for what? Ask for a long wait. Alright. What's next on there? Now that goes around there to decal 1. What is decal 1? Lumex. That's going to be my positive. Then there's another 10.2. Wait a minute. Somebody help me out and make sure I'm right. I need to go over here to the thing. Hold on. If I go to the screen, right there. All right, I am looking here. Let me zoom in. This should be. I should be able to zoom in on this. Yeah, I'm looking right here. All right, so I've got 5 volts going through RCal 1, which is here.
Follow Ba doll bang diggy 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 shake the boogie set up jump the boogie. Ba doll bang diggy diggy diggy.
Oh dear Lord have mercy. Matt, you're killing me. Here, let me move my picture over here. Alright, so make sure I'm looking at this right.
Stick 1111 in 2222, then 333 goes into 999. It's easy and Sunday morning.
Y'all killing me. Alright, so I've got the 5 volts into the light diode right here. It comes out of there, it splits off, goes to the leg of the resistor, to the analog N1 right there. Then I have a 10K resistor coming around. So right here, I can split off. That way I can quickly try the circuit. What? Okay. I don't know what for, but okay. Anywho, and thank y'all for that. I appreciate it. I do. Y'all keep it up. Now, it was up at 11 megabytes. It's freaking crazy. This thing is stupid. Am I red? No, I'm green. All right, good. All right, so yeah, llama. That's cool. All right. So I can put this decal 1, which is the Lumex blah 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 blah, right here. I've got these. I got to get my magnifying glass out because some of these are something. That's Blue Cell 50. I don't know what that is. Hold on, what are these? 3 volt. These will work. Alright. So I've got the small blue LED and I've got a big blue LED. I just use the big blue LED. It don't even say what voltage this is, but it doesn't matter. It don't matter. I owe you $10 at Murph. Sucker. There's not another photoresistor. I don't have another photoresistor. 5 volts, photoresistor, resistor, then I'm going here. So I want to do this piece. So I've got an LED, which should be the positive leg. The positive leg is the long leg. Is that correct? I believe I'm right. The positive leg is the long leg. Alright, so there's you. Alright. There we go. What do you mean that a boy? Alright, so now I've got to go from there to a resistor, a 10.2 resistor. I don't have a 10.2, so we're going to do another 10 over here. What up? Oh my gosh, Cup. I got that. Alright, so let's pull another one. Got to make sure I got the resistor going the right way before y'all get on to me again. Alright, so here's you. Here's Johnny. Right there. Light. Let's do a resistor right here. Come on, get off the table. I don't got no fingernails. Alright, so I don't even have to do anything with this except for plug it into the Arduino. I don't need another piece of wire. And that goes into, let me follow this. Fourth one down. Fourth digital input from there. Alright, so if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, that's A2. Now, this one has to go in right there. I ain't plugging it in yet because you told me not to. I just want to make sure I'm in the right place. It's hard looking through a magnifying glass doing it. Alright, I got you. Alright, so we can give it power now, is that right? Alright, so we got power. So now, 5 volts. I don't know. I don't know when this is supposed to light up. When does the blue light come on? You know, I was looking. This ain't grounded anywhere. Ain't this supposed to be grounded somewhere? Why do birds suddenly appear every time I am near? Just like you, they long to fly. Alright, I still ain't seen no blue yet. I ain't seen anything. Nothing.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
I got nothing. Y'all supposed to be helping me. 5 volts resistor. Got this Arduino analog pin here, which I don't have any idea what that's for, but that's where it goes. Alright. And then we go around here. There's nothing. It's got to be grounded somewhere, right? Anybody? The 10K goes to ground. This one? Okay. That sounds right. But if that's the case, no, that's got to be right. Alright, so this resistor's got to go to ground. That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Hey, I got light. It lit up, y'all. Woo! It ain't doing shit, but it lit up. Thank you, Playdesk. And Tristan. It's not doing anything. Let's see if it actually does anything. No, it just lights up right from the get-go. It lights up right off the start. So there's that light. Now I want to see what the other lights look like. Like a boss. It's like them YouTube videos. Alright, so let's see what this LED looks like. Let's unplug it. See if it's any brighter. These are smaller. What did you miss? You missed me struggling with this thing. What's up, Martin? How are you? Later, Sonic. This is the light that goes underneath. Hold on, this one's a tiny one, man. Alright, so this is my positive side. Right there. Ah, it's actually blue. This one's not blue. Nah, that's better. Alright, so let's go back over to the... Hold on. To the mains right there. And you can't see it. Ain't that lovely? Ain't it lovely when you can't see it? Alright, so there it is right there. It's blue. It's a blue. You can see it on my hand. It's blue. It's very bright blue too. Bright blue. Thank y'all for all the super chats though, by the way. I do appreciate that. Bright blue. Okay. So there's that. So we know that at least the sketch is working. So we're good. Alright, so now let's see if we can dial one of these suckers and make it flash or at least come on. So I need to do one circuit. Oh crap, there's a whole bunch of this crap. Why does it go through? Or that's the ground. No, that goes to 12 volts. Oh crap, I gotta have 12 volt in. And I don't have any. Shit. I don't have a 12 volt right now. Son of a buck. Alright. How in the hell am I supposed to drive this with 12 volts? Well, that sucks. Sweet. Martin? Alright, so I got that done. I don't have a 12 volt power supply. Not that I can use. I got a question, Playdesk, because this is telling me to put 12 volts directly to 3 of those LEDs in a row. And then I guess I'm grounding it to the Arduino? That's what I'm saying though. You can't put you can't put 12 volts to this, can you? Stick half of the 24 volts to it? I could actually probably turn the 24 volts down. I wonder how far it'll let me go down. God dang it. What the hell is wrong with this? Modem keeps going to 0. They're back at 0 again. Go from 0 to 13 megabytes upload. Stupid. Stupid. But I mean, it's working, so I ain't fussing. But what I'm asking, I got one right down here on the floor. I've got one that's not being used over here. I think that this modem over here, let me make sure, but I've got a cell modem over here that I'm pretty sure, let me read it. Get my, that's all in Chinese. Yeah, it's 12 volt 1 amp. This right here is. Alright, so just got a quick beach ball. Alright, hold on, I'll show you the circuit again. Here you go. Alright, so right here, we've got 12 volts coming in here. Okay? 5 volts coming from the Arduino. I'm gonna wait.
Make homegrown shine. I'm a keep it redneck. Got a four-wheel drive, I'm a keep it redneck. When I party all night, I'm a keep it redneck. Yeah.
Strip the wires and test with it. I'm not stripping anything. I am not stripping wires from this. Sorry, not gonna happen. Let me grab my new meter over here that I haven't got to use yet. I mean, I know it's 12 volts. I know it works. I don't have a plug. What is that? Oh, yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah, I know they're in series. I get that. What I'm saying is, do you ground it back to the... See, it comes around. Got the 3 LEDs and then the transistor. And then it comes to ground. Is this ground on the Arduino? That's the question. So why can't I just plug the 12? Well, because you don't get 12 volts off of there. Shit. How many LEDs total? It's 27 of these. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And then the one down here. So 27, 35, 36 LEDs total. There's 36 total LEDs in this circuit. So I need to make sure that the ground is in the middle of this plug, right? Is that right? I mean, I know how much this is. It's 12 volt, 1 amp. It runs my other cell modem. So if I can plug this into the Arduino, that would be awesome. The transistor only can handle the 12 volts, nothing else. I got you. Well, I don't need to plug this into there, though. I need a plug that I can plug this into. I don't have a power supply that I can tear up. That's the problem. I do have a 12 volt power supply down here for the printer. I got this one and it goes to the bare build, but right now I have bare wires, so it'd be really good for me to turn this one on, check it, instead of using this one. Yeah, I don't think so. I think I'm going to leave it like it is, and we're going to try it with 12 volts. Let me plug these suckers in right here. Oh, come on, get off there. Oh, we're going to give it a go. Pretty sure it's going to be fine. Now, you don't need to be that low. Get over there. Look at the blue light. There you go. All right. Let's plug this one in. Let's take off that cap. I'm going to have so much crap on here in a minute, I ain't going to be able to move. Move over the motor. All right, so let's get 12 volt printer cable right here. Plug it in. And turn this to 12 volts DC. $20 volts DC anyway. I'm on the wrong direction. There we go. So let's see now. Green and yellow be the easiest to remember. So we're on the yellow right there with the red. Oh, gotta turn it on, dummy. Come on, man. Tell you what. I just touch them to the back. Something ain't right. There we go. Alright, so we are positive that way. Yellow is my positive, green is my negative. I had it on AC volts. My bad. New meter, man. Turn off. Alright. I only need to light one set of them right now. I want to put one set of them in line and make one circuit. That's all. Just one. So I come off at 12 volts. I've got a 220 resistor, 1, 2, 3, a transistor. And then we come over here to ground. That goes back around to there. So I can plug it onto this ground. But this leg of the transistor goes right there. Okay. Alrighty then. So I can leave this one where it's at. Is that right? We come back in where? Right there off of that leg of the transistor. Right there. Okay. So it's basically the same ground that that one's on. Alright, let's open some more wire. I'm going to need some wire. Post a link to the circuit diagram. Hold on just a second. I don't know how many people's watching. How many people's watching? 38. Not too many. Good. Alright, so. Now see, I follow instructions, not circuit diagrams. And they don't have no instructions. Come on. Man. What the heck? A damn saran wrap they put around this wire is a pain in the buttocks. Go ahead and open some of the others too before I get all funky dory in here. Alright, but I've got black, white, and red done, so that's enough for now. Alright, so let's work this backwards. We're going to work the circuit backwards from ground back out there. I do not. I wish I did. I do not have a breadboard. I looked. I used to have one. Don't know what happened to it. And besides that, I ain't got none of the little jumper wire things anyway. I wish I did. Alright, so let's take the power out of the Arduino. Come on. I did not know that you had to have a 12 volt power supply external to this thing. So I've got to find a small 12 volt power supply that will fit underneath this Stargate. Yeah, somebody sent it to me. So I understand, but yeah, somebody sent it. Oh, my LED fell out. God dang it. I'll fix you in a minute. Alright, get back in there. Alright, so now I've got my ground leg coming off. So we have ground off of the resistor like we're supposed to. some sort of effect. Yeah, as it dials, it clicks and then it goes. All right. We're having so much fun now. Let me get these out of the way. Get this one out of the way. Dang, I ain't got but 35 minutes. Ain't no way I'm getting this done in 35 friggin' minutes. All right. To go back through, then we've got a transistor. Which I have. I took one out. Where'd you go? There you are, right there. All right. I got the resistor right there. I'm going to pull these legs apart so I can watch what I'm doing. Alright, so to the wire... Oh, I got to have my magnifying glass. There you are. Alright, so I'm assuming that's the flat side. Because I can't see any writing on this whatsoever. None. There it is. Okay, there's the wiring. Alright, so 1 is the collector, 2 is the base, and 3 is the emitter. Now, which one is on this one? I would assume that the emitter is the out, the base is in the middle, and the collector is the incoming. Is that right? No, not going to be another TiVo stream. We're cutting it off at 2 hours. And then Saturday morning, this will be sitting right here, and we'll continue on that. Yes, I do. Yeah, right. That's what I mean. It's just getting one to work and then rinse and repeat. All right, so now I need a female. Because that ground's going to go. Audio. Did my mic didn't die again? There's no friggin' way. No, it didn't. Okay. Brian Jorgensen? Send me a message if you don't want to say it on here, buddy. Alright, so let's go back and look at this again. So the emitter is going to ground. So if I hold it like so, 3 is the emitter. So that's that one. Right there. Alright. Let's go back over here. Now the collector is going to go, we're going to do this one here. So this middle post right here is going to go right there. Alright, good deal. I can deal with that. Alright, those are the males. I got some females in the middle. Yep, right there. Alright, so I don't need to do that. I just need to pick. We're going to put the emitter. That's the dadgum. Where'd you go? There you are. Quit running away. Damn LED trying to run away. Alright. So let's put the emitter on yellow. Yellow. Alright. So yellow is going to go 1, 2, 3 from the other end. Yellow. Where'd yellow go? There you are. 1, 2, 3 from the other end. Right there. Alright. So now we got that done. Now I've got to come off of that leg. And that goes into the diodes that he gave me. Ha, you have a weekend now? Screw you. I got one more day. Shut up, Martin. Alright, so now I've got the LEDs that Playdesk sent me right here. Now, I don't know, and I'm going to need 3 of these. And I don't guess, I'm hoping that it does it matter? It does matter, don't it? It does matter which way these go. You said you marked them black and whatever, and nothing, right? So I need 3 of these. All right, so I see black there and nothing there. So the black from this one goes to here. All right, we're going to wrap this very tightly around here. Very tightly around there, because I got plenty of those. All right, let's go ahead and string these out right here. Hopefully I can anyway. Oh dear Lord. All right, give me... Did I do that backwards? I think I did that backwards. Man, it's hard to see. I can't even see the black and the regular on here. Yeah, I did that backwards. All right, so let's take you and straighten you back out. You go to there. That's probably why that wasn't working, because it ain't 12 volt. All right, now you go to there. And at some time during that program, once I get all of this hooked up, at some time during this program, this should light up. All right, so now, all right, there's a light, there's a light, there's a wire. This one goes back to the damn emitter right there. This would be so much easier with a breadboard. Man, I am not right now, not doing any of that. I daisy chain the 3. All right, so the yellow goes to the base right there. Yellow to the base. And then the green went on the other one. There we go. Is that right? That is to ground. So that should be correct. All right, so now I've got that lead right there that goes on a 220 ohm resistor right here. I got a magnifying glass right here. I need a bigger one. Revved up like a deuce, another runner in the night, blinded by the light. You gonna make sure.
Blinded by the light, revved up like a deuce, another runner in the night.
Back down to 0. I don't know what's going on with the modem. Hold on. Hold on. This stupid thing. Here, I'll tell you what. Let's do it this way. Settings. Output. 2500. Output. Okay. I don't know what's going on with the modem. Hold on. I mean, this thing is being stupid. It won't settle down. No. No. All right, so I dropped it down to 2500. Let's see if that'll settle it down some. All right, so we need you right here. Get off of there, paper. We need you. Oh, I got to be careful. Wrapped around here. Ah, dang it. Knew that was going to happen. be very careful right there. I should have. Yeah, I know. I don't know what's going on. Should be better now. Should be smoother now. I don't know what was going on. It was being dumb. Very, very dumb. Alright. So now I've got to go to, let me turn this off. Got to go to 12 volts right here. That's in the wrong one. 12 volts right there. And then that 12 volts goes to right here. If, and only if, that should be all of that hanky done there. Let's see. All right, I got blue power light. Here we go. See if I can get anything here. Let it run. If that works, I'll be so freaking, man. Because I don't have a ground going here. Should I have the power supply grounded to anything? Do I have to run it to a ground over there? I don't know what it's doing. We're going to give it a minute. Because it takes it a while to dial, I think. I'm really going to have to get a breadboard to do this with, though. See, this thing takes like 2 minutes to dial, so. Why? Why are you dying on me? Piece of crap. I don't know what the photo resistor's for. You know what? That's not going to work. Because the photo resistor is underneath. Son of a buck. So how am I supposed to test that? That's grounded. Wait, that's just grounded. That's to there. Ain't no pin driving that. Hold on. Yeah, there ain't a pin one driving this thing except for the turn on pin. Nope. Yeah, it is. It's right there. So my question is, if I take the AN1, hold on, that goes to there, to there, to there. If I take, if I what? Did you not get a breadboard in the Alien 3D box? I don't know. I might have. I'd have to look and see. I think there's a little one. What's up, John Hammond? Can't I run that ground? I can run that ground directly to the other board, though, right? I should be able to run it directly, right? So I should be able to go right in here. Stick that in the ground. Put this over here. and put that to ground. All right, let me try something again. All right, so let's try the full. Let's do the full I&O. Let's turn the power off to that. So I don't got no power to there. I will look. I will go through them and look. Let me open up the full I&O file. I did. It is connected to the ground on the board, so that should be okay. Open folder. And then we can say yes. Yeah, I did. I saw that. That's a sketch. Include library. Uh-oh. Include that. And let's verify it. All right, so now let's run it. Let's put it on the board. This is the full I&O, which I have no idea what that was. It was in the January box. All right, so I don't know what color that is. There's that one. I'll have to look. It's the New Year box. I have to look. I got them over there in the corner right now. It's done uploading. All right, so the orange light is constantly on here. Let's see, I really don't know if I'm making contact or anything to these wires. So let's, oh, I ain't got 12 volts to them. All right, when I turn the 12 volts on, the lights go out. They stop flashing, stop doing their thing. And the only thing this is hooked to is ground, so yeah, I will look for that after we get done with the stream here. So when I cut the power off here, nothing happens. When I cut the power on, nothing happens. But I don't have any idea what the sketch is supposed to be doing either. I'd have to read down through the sketch. Hit reset. I can do that. Yeah, it boots. I mean, I see it booting, but it didn't do anything. Like I said, I need to take these lights, get me some tape so I can see which one's the negative. Then I can get that breadboard out and we can breadboard it that way. Abort, abort. Yeah, right. What am I aborting? I don't know. I was trying to see. All right, so got power there, 12 volts coming in. Goes through, and then it just goes to ground. There's nothing driving these damn lights. That's what I don't understand. Oh wait, I don't got no blue LED now either. Ooh, barely got a blue LED. Come on. Oh, that was bright. Then it quit. Then it went away. I wonder if this LED shines on that. I bet that's what happens. I bet this needs to come over here. Well, it would help if I kept the damn thing plugged in, wouldn't it? If I do that, god dang it. Definitely need a breadboard. Definitely need a breadboard because I'm losing all patience. All right, I'm done. Before I get aggravated and start throwing stuff across the room. I know y'all want to see that too, don't you? Yes and no, Lester. The Arduino is actually piped into each one of them and it sends a signal to it. I don't know what the transistor's for other than, you know, the signal to do it. That's where that goes, ain't it? That base signal goes into that collector. Where'd it go? Yellow right there to yellow right there. All right, where's my transistor? There it is, right there. I don't have, no wonder you ain't working. I swear. Get in there. All right, let's try to do this real quick before we get off of here. Where'd my blue wire go? Right there. Blue wire goes to resistor on ground, right there. There. Where did my LED go? Right there. Long one, right there, goes to you. You're the hot side. Right there. You go to there. The yellow had come off of the leg over here. Alright, so there's that. I don't know. I don't know what the light emitting diode is for. I do think I know what it's for. The problem is it's not doing a damn thing that I can tell. Alright, so that didn't do nothing. Got power to there. Got power to there. Everything's got power. So something's not making connection on these lights or something. Because I'm not getting what I need. Throw my hat? No, my microphone's tied to it. Yeah, and that, you're right. I need to go down through the Arduino code, and I'll do that when I get back to the house this evening. I'll sit down in my chair and pull it up and see. I'll go down through the code, because that I do know. That's what I thought. It's not a slot, actually. I'm not sure. I'll have to look and see where it's located. There's no slot that tells it where the thing is at. I think it gets there and it locks or something. I don't know. We'll see. And you may be right, Lester. But I don't see a slot where it's going to look through to see anything. There's just nothing there for it to look at. No, Alan King, I wouldn't think so because this thing will run in the daytime or any other time. I need to look and see where the photo detector goes. I'll look at the assembly tonight as well, the assembly video, and see how that works. I did answer it, Tristan. It's not the 2.5. It doesn't, I don't think, does it? Let me look. It might be. If it is a 2.5, it is. It does have the filament sensor. It's got the old sensor in it. Got the old filament sensor in it, which actually worked to tell that you didn't have any, for the most part. What's up, Brian Vines? You got here just in time. See me start throwing things. But if there is a breadboard over there, I can clean this up a lot. A lot. Is the code online? Yes, it is. You can go to the link in my description. It is inside the zip file with the printout stuff. And somebody said it was on GitHub too, but I don't know. Not my thing. All right, I'm going to kick back for a minute. Kick back for a minute, about 12 minutes, and then we'll get out of here and everybody will be happy. I'm going to go home and eat some food. So we'll see how that works out. I want to see if you can see my lights. Let me turn these off. Let me turn this one off over here. Hold on. There's Valentine's Day. I'm looking for the New Year's box. Happy holidays. It's here some dadgum where. Just don't know where. It may still be over at the house. Because I don't see it. I do not see the New Year box. It must be at the house. If that's the case, then guess what? That's where that breadboard's at. If it was in the January box. Because I don't see it underneath there. It's not over there. Valentine's, Halloween, Thanksgiving, regular, Christmas. Yep, don't see it. What did we break? I didn't break anything. Anywho, let's see. Let's see if you can see my lights. Where'd it go? Where'd my remote go? Are you under there? Yep, you're under there. Alright, y'all ready for the dark? Echo. Turn off plug 1. Are you going to turn it off? There you go. Yeah, you can see them back there. They work pretty good. I like that. Yeah, buddy. Here, let me darken this camera a little bit more. Woohoo! Got lights. Twit message you the address. Oh, I don't know. Hey, them work pretty good. I like those lights. Echo. Turn on plug 1. Alrighty. Alright, so we are running the full. I don't know what the full is or what it is. So what's everybody got planned for the weekend? Oh, and I got some good news too. I don't know why this is still telling me it's bad video output when I got good video output. Getting 720p and it's telling me it's bad. Whatever. Shut up, YouTube. There you go. Now it's green. Alright, so Saturday morning I am gonna see if we can clean this up and get at least one of these to flash. What? You have video playing? I will be. Good deal, Sean. Where'd you get that from, Robbie Mac? Because looking at the circuit diagram, the emitter is going to ground. The base is going to the Arduino pin for signal. And the base is going to, is that right? No, the collector is going to the LED. The base is going to the Arduino, and the emitter is going to ground. Why would you have 12 volts going to the emitter? The 12 volt positive comes in on the resistor side of the LEDs. I think Robbie Mac just wants to see some smoke. Yes, the emitter to ground, the collector to the diode, and the base to the pin. Is that right? I think that's right. Yeah. What time is my stream? It's, what is it? What would we do, 8 to 10, I think? Yeah. 8 to 10 Eastern. Well, we did get a blue light. I didn't get the flash of lights that I wanted. Thing is, though, I should be able to test if I take the diode out of this, completely out of this. All right, let's take the 12 volt ground out of here. And I take, where'd it go? All right, there's my resistor that's going to ground. If I take my resistor that goes to ground, where did my 12 volts go? Yellow, right there. Yellow is my hot, so that ain't right. All right, so those are going to the hot. Is that right? Orange is over here. Why are you over there? You shouldn't be over there. Should be on a resistor over here. All right, you're off. Okay. All right, so let's see if I can get this to light up without all the rigmarole. Just see if I can get it to light up, because I should be able to do that. I don't really need the transistor, right? Alright, so I need to go to the positive right here, which will be my yellow. Right there. No, that's not right. The positive will go to the resistor. And then the negative will go right here. Why do I need the transistor for? Why do I need the transistor for? What's the transistor for? If I just send straight voltage to these, should it not light them up? Light them up, up, light them up, up. What for the 12 volts? It's not even tied to the 12 volts. It goes to ground, goes to the Arduino, and then the 12 volts going in. Right. That's switching on and off. That's all I need that for. Alright, so we've got that. So the resistor's to the positive. I've got my ground tied in right there. So if I turn that on, See, I'm not making contact. Somewhere, somehow, I'm not making contact with either the LEDs or something. I don't have the wire stripped back like I'm supposed to, or I've got one backwards, or got something. So something ain't right. I will figure it out. I will look at it tomorrow afternoon, and Saturday morning we will take a look at it together to see if I'm on the right track yet or not. Long leg is positive. Yeah, on the LEDs, but these are SMD LEDs. So he said he tested all these. So as long as he tested them all, we're good to go. And I believe him. I believe he did. All right, so we're turned off there. Let's take you out of there. Let's take this out of here so I can get this off of the table because it's in the way. And then I will try to find the January box and try to find a breadboard that I can plug all this crap into and find it out. I don't know, Sean Gould. All I did was downloaded the list of what was needed. Remove all, plug the, and where the blue LED is. What? I didn't catch any of that. Remove all, plug the, and where the blue LED is. Oh. Take the blue LED, plug it in, and then plug each one of these into each to there. I got you. I got you. Saturday morning, because we're out of time. Guys, y'all treat each other as you want to be treated. Thank you for watching the Kuntry Klub. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like if you didn't like it. Leave me a comment, which I know you're not going to. But anyway, we will see you Saturday morning. Y'all treat each other as you want to be treated, and the world will be a better place. But until Saturday, y'all stay great, Kuntry Klub.